When you need to send someone an Illustrator file, maybe so they can work on the file or print it, you need to package the file to ensure all the necessary components are sent with it. In this video, you'll explore packaging an Illustrator document using the package command. You can open this practice file from the practice files for this tutorial if you want to follow along. When the practice file opens, you may see the missing fonts dialog box since it uses an Adobe font. Access to the Adobe font library is included with your Adobe Creative Cloud membership. If you do see this dialog box, click Activate Fonts to fix the missing font. After the font is synced, you can click Close. If you place images into an Illustrator project and they are linked to the original file, you'll need to send the original image along with the Illustrator file you send someone. Select the Selection tool and click to select this image of water. Now you can tell that this image is linked to an image outside of Illustrator because in the Properties panel to the right, you can see Linked File at the top of the panel. If you apply a font to text that another user may not have on their machine, you'll need to send a copy of the font file along with the Illustrator file. You won't need to send any Adobe fonts you used in your project though, because as you saw, they can be synced to your machine. Illustrator makes the process of gathering these linked elements easier with a command called package. When you package a file, Illustrator creates a folder that contains a copy of the Illustrator document, any necessary fonts, linked graphics like this image, and a package report. The report is actually a text file which includes information about the packaged files. Now, in order to package this project, which uses an Adobe font and a linked image, choose File, Package. If you're prompted to save the file, click Save. In the Package dialog box that opens, you can click this folder icon to choose where to create a folder for the packaged file. A folder will be created for you, and you can change the name of the folder here. I'll simply remove the word folder. All of the links in the document will be found and copied into the folder it creates. Any fonts used in this document will be copied and placed in the folder as well, except for Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and Adobe fonts. When another user opens this file, they'll be prompted to sync any Adobe fonts like you saw in the beginning. To package the files, click Package. Then click OK. After the package is created, you can click Show Package to see the folder of content. In the folder, you'll see the copy of the Illustrator document and all of the linked files, including the image. Packaging your Illustrator file ensures that when you send someone your Illustrator document, they have everything they need to edit or print it. Packaging is useful for sending your Illustrator files to a printer, a coworker, or even as a way to collect all of the files used in an Illustrator document before archiving a project.